Hello! We have something to open up together today. Our friends at Imperium Duelist, who also made this lovely mat that I had purchased in the past, sent us some goodies, and I wanted to share them with you, so let's dig in. We have, so this is, okay, I'm not going to tilt the camera to show you, but I actually have like their Sangan sticker on my studio window, very close to where I'm at right now, but they have their little scapegoat, car air fresheners. Ooh, that is a hammer strike dice. Ooh, we will open that separately, I think. And then, oh, we got the Karibo buddies. Look at that. Aw, let's see. So the Karibo face is your one. So cute. And then we got more dice. I do love dice. We've got the Pokeball set dice. So that looks really nice. Really nice. Some D6s. And then we got a couple border sleeves. Ooh, so we got magic cylinder, magical hats. Bunny. Oh, that's so fun. Got some border sleeves. We got some Slifer border sleeves. Those look very nice. And then I'm excited about these. So I'm going to show you guys these first. So the armor sleeves are actually what I use on my deck if I'm not double sleeving, because I really like the shuffle on them. Like my flu deck, before I got the border sleeves for them, like I just used the green ones of these, and they have great shuffle. Big fan of those. And then these I have not tried yet, so I'm very excited to give them a try. But these are their Minotaur sleeves. So these are, I'll let you know what I think. But yeah, so we got the white, the blue, and the pink, and that's it. If you guys are interested in checking out Imperium Duelist, Art 10 will save you a little bit off your order. Again, I can't vouch for these yet, so I'll get back to you on what I think of the shuffle on them and how they hold up. I love the armor sleeves. They are something that I buy several packs of every time in white or green, because that way I can interchange the cards between the decks without having to resleeve them. And then I love their border sleeves. I don't know if you've watched any of my other, like my binder flip throughs, but a lot of the border sleeves I have, I first got into border sleeves because of Imperium Duelist. So anyway, and then we have fun dice. Should we go ahead and open this guy? Let's go ahead and open this guy. Get a knife here. Hammer strike. Maybe. Let's see, it says, in ancient times, swordsmiths were specialized in forging sharp and strong swords made with the finest metal so warriors can be ready for any upcoming battle. Imperium Duelist created the most long-lasting dice anyone can own. These dice were designed to be lightweight for easy lifting and precisely machined for along the edges to provide excellent rolling capabilities. Let's see if I can get this out here. There we go. Nice little case. Ooh, I see. It's magnetic. Oh. Ooh. I gotta give these a roll. Perfectly average. Wonderful. The roll, not the dice. Those feel really nice. Alright, thank you guys at Imperium for sending this. Again, Art 10, if you are interested in saving a little bit. And I will see you guys later. Bye!